Good day everyone! I have a special delivery today from Salem, Philippines. Andiyan na sila sa baba. Let's go! Okay, tutulungan natin sila sa pag-akyat ng mga gamit. Go! So, ito na yung headboard. Ulan, hinabot na kami ng ulan. Yung kama natin. So excited! This is a double-sized bed. Ito na yung pinaka-bed frame natin. Sana kasya. Sila Kuya Bobby and Kuya Art yung nag-ayos ng bed natin. Ang kapal niya guys. Na-assemble nila yung bed frame. Wow. Oh, that's so nice guys. They're leaving now. Oh, thank you. Ito na yung bago nating bed. Kasi first time ko magkaroon ng sariling kama. Hala. Sobrang sarap matulog. Sobrang ganda, sobrang lambot. And I will make another video about this bed. See you on my next video.